want to show you how to use the eraser tool in Procreate Dreams. To activate eraser tool, you want to tap on the draw mode, which is the squiggle icon, and that will bring out the commonly used drawing tools that are available for Procreate Dreams. And you can pick out the color. Let me choose something that is really contrasty and just draw on my canvas. And to use eraser tool, you can tap on your eraser and just draw on top. And I want to say, if you want to select a specific shape, you can tap on the eraser again, and you have the full selection of the brush library inside Procreate Dreams. And sometimes you might want to match the shape of your eraser to the current brush. If that's the case, you want to have the brush selected and long hold your eraser with the pencil, and that will match the two brushes. So I've used the oil pastel for brush, and right now my eraser is also the oil pastel brush. This matching action is really helpful if you want your edges to look natural. So basically, this is how you use the eraser tool in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.